am at Hokkaido Park. Is a flower garden in Pak Chong, Nakhon Ratchasima, Thailand. You will see a lot of flower, many color. This is not colorful, but over there are some balloon also and windmill, and here at the back is a good atmosphere. Today is not Sunday. No, it's not sunny. It's cloudy. You will see the cloud above. So it's not hot. It's winter here, though.